How to use the scanner without pressing the trigger, hands-free mode. This applies for Honeywell corded and cordless scanners. User guide for specific scanner can be downloaded from the Honeywell SPS website. Connect the scanner to your PC to verify that the scanner is transmitting information. Scan any barcode item into Notepad. Once we are sure the scanner is giving a good read and information is being transmitted, we can configure the scanner to the desired hands-free mode. Depending on the scanner model, there might be options to switch between manual and presentation mode when the scanner detects it's in a stand or charge and communications cradle, in-stand sensor mode. Troubleshoot, manual trigger mode. Most scanners will by default work in a manual trigger mode, TRG-MOD0. To enable this mode / disable presentation mode, one of the following barcodes can be used. Streaming is a presentation mode where the scanner keeps scanning at full speed. For this, the illumination is always on. The aimer is temporarily activated when the scanner detects a moving object in front of the scanner. The intention of this mode is to be used in environments where high volumes of barcodes are being scanned. To ensure this high throughput, the scanner expects ANSI/ISO grade barcodes and may struggle or refuse to read out of specification barcodes. To keep the scan engine's temperature under control, the illumination can be less intense. Standard presentation mode. For standard presentation mode, when the scanner is idle, it has no or dimmed illumination and uses predominantly ambient light to detect if an object is moving in front of the scanner. The scanner is expected to reside in a fixed position. Whenever it detects activity in the field of view, it will turn on the illumination and attempt to read a barcode. After reading the barcode, the illumination will by default remain on for a defined period, before it returns to idle state again. See the product user guide for further configuration options, for i.e. sensitivity, after decode LED behavior, and presentation mode specific centering.